how to use actually correctly, IELTS tips, and common mistakes. Have you ever used the word actually incorrectly? Many English learners struggle with this common but tricky word. Today, we're going to explore the word actually and help you use it confidently in your IELTS exam and everyday conversations. Word type actually is an adverb. This means it's used to modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Meaning, actually has two main meanings. First, it's used to emphasize that something is true or real, especially when it's surprising or different from what people think. Second, it can be used to correct or contradict someone politely. Word history. The word actually comes from the Latin actualis, meaning active or practical. It entered the English language in the 15th century. Antonyms. Some opposites of actually include supposedly, apparently, and seemingly. These words suggest that something appears to be true but might not be. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to actually include in fact, in reality, and truly. These all emphasize the truth or reality of a statement. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use actually in sentences. I thought the movie was going to be boring, but it was actually quite interesting. She looks young, but she's actually in her 40s. Actually, I prefer tea to coffee. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using actually too frequently. While it's a useful word, overusing it can make your speech sound repetitive. Another error is using actually at the beginning of every sentence, which can sound confrontational. Use it sparingly for emphasis or correction. To sum up, actually is a versatile adverb used to emphasize truth or make polite corrections. Remember its meanings, use it in the right context, and avoid overusing it. With practice, you'll be using actually naturally in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks.